Hey everyone, Mr. Newman here, and I'm going to show you guys how to do this area and perimeter problem on the practice test. So first of all, draw a picture and label the sides. It says here's a rectangular piece of ground, so I'm going to draw a rectangle. And we know the sides are width and length, but the thing we need to worry about for this part is the length being 2 more than 3 times the width. That means the length is 2 plus 3w, 2 more than 3 times the width. That is the part that's essential to write down on this first step. Now we've done part A, let's write an equation and solve for the variable. Well, we know that the perimeter is 320, so let's add up all the sides, and that's going to be 320. The other part we know is that if you add up all the sides, so w plus 2 plus 3w plus w plus 2 plus 3w, add all those up and you get the perimeter. You could do w plus L, but that would leave us with 2 variables, and then we could solve it. So now that we've done part B, let's solve for the variable and state both sides. So I'm going to combine like terms, collect all the w's and collect all the constants. Those are the 2's there. So 8w plus 4 equals 320. Subtract 4, divide by 8, and w is 39.5. But notice it says state the 2 sides, so we need width and length. So to get length, I'm going to go back up here and remember that length is 2 plus, or 2 more than 3 times the width. So we do 2 plus 3 times, and the width is 39.5. So as long as I follow order of operations, do multiplication first, and then addition, we get length is 120.5. The last question is whether Mr. Booth has enough ground, and that's coming back here to the area. You see he needs 4,500 square feet. Square feet covers area, so I know I need area. And area of a rectangle is just the length times the width. So let's plug in length that we know and the width. When you multiply them, you notice we get 4,759.75 square feet. And that means yes, he has enough. So write a sentence, yes, he has enough, because he needs 4,500 square feet and he has 4,759 square feet. Thank you very much for watching.